My name is Tyler Dixon, and my project is about steam energy. My hypothesis is if I add more water, the engine will be able to produce a steadier light. My independent variable is the amount of water. My dependent variable is the heat source and the amount of heat. My step one of my procedure: gather two 108-ounce fruit cans, then water on the seam of them. Then drill a half-inch hole in the top. Then cut a 3-inch piece of pipe, but leaving 2 inches exposed when you pin the hole weld around. Then cut a 1 foot by 2 foot piece of plywood. Then cut three 1 foot pieces of 2x6. Next, strip those pieces in half down the middle. Then, the pieces you just stripped in half, screw them in the bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. Then, putting a screw in the top one, each top of them, cut two 2 foot pieces of wire and adjust to the height you need. Then put the can on top, filled with water, and then attach an air compression rubber nozzle into the pipe. Then, with an 8-inch clearance from the can, screw in another piece you cut of wood. Then, to attach the Homily wind generator, get 3 inches of bendable hanging wire and on using two 1-inch screws on each side to secure it. And then the thing I really thought that was cool and amazing about this project is that all the step ups it can have are like it can keep on being advanced, is what I'm trying to say basically. It can reduce landfills, it can reduce nuclear power plants, it can purify water by boiling trash like dirty water and to make steam, but then you can condense it before it comes out. And you can put by to reduce landfills, you can burn the trash for boiling the water. And then you could to reduce thermal pollution and acid rain, you could put a air filter on the back that'll catch those contaminants or whatever you want to call them before they make it over to the ozone layer. And that's pretty cool, I thought. Then the nuclear power plants can be reduced by so much because this could produce so much energy at like this time for long periods of time. And I could not get my graph to work on this website. I spent like an hour trying to do it, so I figured I could try to show it during the video, which I thought would work. Thank you for listening to my video about steam energy.